Chandrababu Naidu has proposed to shift HAL production unit to Andhra Pradesh.
I don't want to comment on whatever they demand. But Karnataka will not allow any of the which has been functioning well. If they want, let they have the new. But I want my parliament members and my central ministers who are there to react on this. But as a government, we will not allow anything to be shifted.
They offered 10,000 acres of land near to Bengaluru, sir.
We have all those lands with us only. We have given in Tumkur for HAL. We have given for helicopter division. We will give land. What is that? If they want to expand, we will give. Let them have any new thing. I don't want to come in their way. But as far as Karnataka is concerned, it is our pride. Nehruji gave us. It is a base. Bidar as a base, Bangalore as a base. We have two HAL airports in Bangalore itself. One is in Yelahanka, one is in the HAL airport. So there is no question of it. Their desire, we don't want to intervene on.